Moments ago, it was blue skies, a little bit of clouds, but absolutely beautiful. 80 something degrees, and in a moment's notice, it's turned to this. And here shortly, we will have ourselves a thunderstorm on our hands. I thought I would just show you guys how quickly things change around here. I already felt one raindrop, and it run me up on the porch. But we're about to get a good one here shortly. The wind's blowing up now, but the rain is right around the corner. And we're supposed to get thunderstorms, so I'd say it'll be like